Alright guys, hello. I have one thing I wanted to introduce you to or show you that I had forgotten about. It's an MLA checklist. So let's look here at my screen. And so in our modules and everything left, under the, I should put it here under the final attempt. Okay, so it's right there. It's called MLA Checklist. So what this is, I'm going to open this up and show you. This is just a tool I created to kind of help with helping you do your kind of final polish on MLA stuff for the final attempt of the paper. So there's two sections. There's the bigger jobs that it takes to comply with MLA standards, and then smaller jobs. So I'd say start with the bigger ones because those ones are going to take more time. So make sure each piece of information in your essay is marked with where it came from, either directly in the prose or in text citation. So this is the thing we talked about when we had the citation lecture in class, to make sure like that your academic reader is always going to be asking themselves, where does this information come from? And so that's answering that question. That's step one there. Okay, make sure each source used in the paper has an entry in the works cited page. So however many sources you have, make sure that you have a works cited entry for it. And then make sure that the word given in parentheses in your in-text citations, if you have it, remember you don't even need to have it if you've talked about the author's name, right? Make sure that it's the first word in the works cited page down at the bottom. Okay, and the fourth one, make sure each source listed in the works cited page is actually used in the paper. So sometimes just make sure that if you have something in your paper, it's listed down here, and if you have something down here, it's listed up in your paper. Okay, so those are kind of the bigger ones. They take a little bit more time to handle. Smaller jobs. So create a heading. Has 5 things here. Given an original title. Page numbers in the upper right-hand corner. If you have a quotation of 4 lines or more, which I think I probably dissuaded everybody from having big quotations, you'll indent that 1 inch from the left margin, the entire thing. And then some things to look at for your works cited page, that they're in alphabetical order. So these are the things that I'm checking for when I'm looking to see if you're complying with MLA. And so that tool is just there, again, in the Everything Left module. It's right there. So run through that before you turn in your final attempt on Friday, and I hope that's helpful for you. All right. Good luck.